teacher Tina, and this is my poem. The title of my poem is I'm a Special Teacher. So let's go. I'm a special teacher with grade combined. I challenge to teach but make it shine. I plan and I prepare with care and with might to help my student learn day and night. My classroom is mixed, ages and stages, from grade 1 to 5 with different pages. I need to be creative and flexible too, to meet each student needs and learning through. Sometimes it's hard to keep them all engaged, with different subject and lesson to be gauged. But I love the variety and the energy in the air. It keeps me on my toes with no time to stare. I have to be patient in understanding as well. When lessons are tricky and some students may yell, "Ah!" But with my kindness and calm, I guide them along, and I help them discover their strength and their song. My students are unique with different learning style. Some visual, some auditory, and some hands-on trial. I need to adapt and find way to reach each child potential and help them reach. From reading and writing to math and science, I strive to make learning a joyful journey for everyone. With story and poems and activity galore, I am to inspire and open a door. But oh, the paperwork and grading too. It's kept me late with a lot to do. My classroom community where everyone's belong. We learn from each other and grow as a team. Teacher we discover and make learning a dream. I'm a teacher, mentor and guide. And I'm a friend. My student growth with the greatest strength. I celebrate their success and help them through strive. And strive to make difference in each children's life. My students look up to me with eyes so bright. They trust me to guide them through day and night. I promise to do my best to help them grow and give them tools to succeed and grow. Bye-bye!
Straight lang yan.